Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. You guys know this hairstyle, right? Today, I'm switching it up.
Okay, so it's hot in Gauteng. So I've had to wear my hair mostly like this for the past 5 days. Like I can't like oh my goodness, it is very hot. I don't know what I was thinking having this hairstyle. Yeah, today I'm going to do another hairstyle. Okay, so I'm going to switch this hairstyle up a bit. I am going to do bangs. Can you imagine? So
So yeah, when I did this hairstyle, it was so hot in Gauteng and I just had enough. So I decided to cut these bangs. I enjoyed them. It wasn't hanging on my neck anymore, rubbing on my neck anymore. So I enjoyed this hairstyle as well. But wait for part 3, which is amazingness of how this hair served me. I loved all 3 hairstyles actually. But wait for it so that you can give me your comment and tell me which hairstyle you like most from these 3 hairstyles that I managed to come up with one installation of crochet locks. And comparing these 2 hairstyles, which one do you like most? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you'd ever add white hair extensions on your head, let me know in the comment section below as well. I would love to know. I love hearing from you guys. So please, let's make it a two-way communication.
I'm liking it already.
It'll be nice if you also give me some feedback on how you take my content and what you enjoy most actually. I'll appreciate that.
Perfect. My almonds. I think I'll get the salon to help me with like really cutting at the back, especially. Check the back. I don't think it's it's supposed to be like this one is so long. Oh, they quite a number actually. That is too long, so I will go to the saloon and then the ladies there will help me with fine tuning this hairstyle. But this is what I intend to rock.
Yes, I ordered the plaque, the 100,000 subscribers plaque. I ordered it and it's on its way. I can't wait. Oh, yeah, I know it's kind of different, like how I feel now. It's an achievement, yes, but it's kind of different from how I anticipated I was gonna feel after I hit that 100,000 subscribers. But it is what it is, guys. I am so grateful to you for all that you've done for my channel, for sharing my videos, for commenting, for liking my videos. I really appreciate you. Please continue doing that. It's a work in progress. We have not arrived yet. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Bye.